Hello everyone, my name is Govindram Neware. I am a master's student at the Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, Thiruvananthapuram, majoring in data sciences. Today I am going to present my work on a data visualization project titled Exploring the Cinemaverse, Data-Driven Analysis of Movie Production, Revenue, Trends using Tableau. The aim of this project is to analyze the IMDb movies database. Now, we all know that there are thousands of movies produced every year, and after looking at such an elaborate dataset with a lot of information, one has to use methods and tools that simplify the complexity of the data and help us interpret that in a proper manner. One such tool we are going to discuss today is Tableau, which is a very robust, powerful, and widely used software in the field of business intelligence used by industries to extract crucial information and transform that information into actionable insights. Before going into my work, let us look at some basic terms that will be used frequently for a better interpretation of the entire presentation. First off, we have data visualization. Data visualization is the process of converting any given data into a structured graphical format for a better understanding. Next, we have dashboards. Dashboards are visual display tools that sum up and display key performance indicators, metrics, and other relevant data points in a single, easy to read interface. A simple example of a dashboard would be the weather app on your smartphones. The IMDb dataset contains information about 10,000 plus movies, including their names, release dates, user ratings, genres, titles, languages, budgets, revenues, etc. This data can be used for various analyses, such as identifying trends in movie genres, exploring the relationship between budget and revenue, predicting success of future movies, etc. Now, some questions that can arise by looking at the dataset are: what is the worldwide geography of the movie releases? Is there any correlation between the budget spent and the revenue made? What are some of the top performing movies and genres? Or what is the language wise distribution of these movies? To explain all this, Tableau contains a vast number of different visualizations to choose from. The following visualizations are the most suitable ones for the dataset chosen. First off, to understand the global reach of the movies, we have used maps. The following visual reveals that the films are produced throughout the world, with some regions like the United States and Australia showing a high concentration. However, as mentioned before, the dataset we use for this project is a smaller subset of the actual database, and hence we can see that some of the larger regions of the world are still unshaded. Now, let's go towards understanding the genre distribution of the movies. This tree map reveals interesting combinations that the audience likes. For instance, we see a cluster of movies combining drama, comedy, and romance genres, mostly suggesting a popular audience preference. To analyze the best performing movies in terms of revenue or budget, we have used simple bar graphs where the x axis denotes the total sum of money invested or made and the y axis contains the movies. Analyzing trends over time is very crucial when it comes to long term data. This area chart depicts the year-wise movie release distribution. We can observe an interesting trend with movie releases potentially increasing over the years. Now, to answer the question whether there is correlation between the budget and the revenue of a movie, we have used scatter plots. This scatter plot helps us visualize the correlation. While some high-budget movies do achieve high revenue, others don't necessarily follow suit. This suggests other factors may also influence a film's financial performance. Finally, to understand the language-wise distribution of the movies, pie charts have been used. We can see that most of the movies in this dataset are made in English. Lastly, we come to the dashboard that combines all the visualizations we have seen. It allows for an interactive exploration, letting you delve deeper into the specific aspects of the data. Overall, this project demonstrates the immense capabilities Tableau has when it comes to converting raw data into understandable insights. By transforming complex information into clear visuals, we can gain a much deeper understanding of the movie industry and the types of films that resonate with the audiences. With this, I would like to conclude my presentation. Thank you for the ICUFN authorities for giving me the opportunity to present my work, and a huge shout out to my guide, Dr. Alvin Poulose, and Dr. John Paul, for all the support and guidance. Thank you for your time.